presentation, which is on voice recognition wheelchair. Presentation will be delivered by Officer Cadet WTV Vadutantri. He is also from Intake 27 of the Department of Electronic and Telecommunication Engineering at the KDU. Mr. Vadutantri. Yes.
Thank you very much, sir. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce you our research on voice control automatic wheelchair. This is our research team, Major KVP Dhammika, Officer Cadet Amaraveera, Officer Cadet Ranasinghe, and myself, Officer Cadet Vadutantri. Content: aim, objectives, introduction, voice recognition system, hardware and software design, limitation, recommendation, and finally conclusion. The aim of this research is to design a system that will automatically detect voice of a human and function according to the voice commands. Objectives: develop a two-wheel robot that is able to respond in real time to voice commands and avoid obstacles in its intended path of travel. So this can be implemented to use for wheelchairs. Introduction: with the rapid growing and advancement of modern science and technology has led to a development and inventions of modern equipments and machineries. With those inventions which related to implementation of motorized wheelchair give great impact and help the disabled and deformed people. Nowadays, there are many kinds of motorized wheelchairs in the market. As example, wheelchairs that uses the analog joystick, touch activated switches, eye gaze switches, head control switches, chin control switches, tongue touchpad switches, and etc. In this paper, we concentrated and focused on the voice control motorized wheelchair. Voice recognition system. Voice recognition technology is a voice to data conversion. It involves a number of complex processes. Voice recognition technology can be found in applications such as automated phone messages, appliance control, and data entry. Speech recognition software branches out into three types: discrete word recognition, connected word recognition, and continuous speech. Continuous systems respond to human normal speech. They are difficult to implement. Discrete systems respond to words when we speak them separately with a distinct pause between each one. Voice recognition concept. The first step in this voice recognition in the input and digitalize of the voice into voice recognition capable software. Voice recognition technology uses an analog to digital converter device which converts analog or continuous voltage into digital number. The analog to digital conversion translates these vibrations or sound waves into digital data that a computer can interpret. And then the system filters the digitalized sound to remove unwanted noise. People don't always speak at the same speed, so the sound must be adjusted to match the speed of the template sound samples already stored in the system's memory. For that, the signal is divided into small segments as short as a few hundredths of a second. The software program matches these segments to phonemes contained in the specific language. The next step is the program examines phonemes in the context of the other phonemes around them and compares them to a library of known words. Then determines what the user was probably. Before using the module, it should be recorded voice instructions. Each voice instructions must have maximum length of 1300 milliseconds. Recording process. Recording process consists with 6 stages. All these stages are being indicated by flashing 2 LEDs. Hardware and software design. Wheelchair model. As an experimental design, we made a small wheelchair. This is a prototype design. After made several structures, finally we came up with this one. Software development process. To include data into the module needs serial tool, and it is always need to connect with the PC for that. It may be difficult for the real-time users, but as a solution for that problem, we upgraded the code to record the module without connect to the PC. and the user who uses the wheelchair can record his or her own voice just pressing the record button on the top. Theory of system operation. We used only 5 basic commands to drive the motors and make the wheelchair moves. When the user speaks the word go to the microphone, the wheelchair moves in forward direction. The word back means it moves in backward or reverse direction. Meanwhile, the word left causes the wheelchair turn to the left, and right makes the wheelchair turn to the right direction. The wheelchair will continue moving in the direction according to the word received until the user speaks out the word stop. The wheelchair is equipped with one infrared sensor for obstacle avoidance function. When sensor detects an obstacle, it sends a signal to the microcontroller which stops the wheelchair immediately. It remains stopped until the receives next command. This is to prevent any accident occurring during the movements. Limitations. Obstacle avoidance algorithm is limited to detect obstacle. It can be improved by using 2 IR range finder sensors. Motor control circuit should be improved to be used for real wheelchairs. Only need transistor H-bridge to increase the current for the wheelchair. Cannot use this voice recognition method for the dumb people. Emergency stop switch is difficult to use for disabled people and amputees. Wheel mechanism cannot use for the staircases, should improve the mechanism. Should use motors with brakes for the actual wheelchair. Recommendations. Though there are available different types of wheelchairs working by hand control joysticks, its benefits have been limited to certain disabled personnel. But disabled people who are armless and paralyzed their hands are not getting the benefits of this joystick controlling technology. As a solution, we can introduce our project concept for those particular disabled personnel. Disabled people can use this technology with more confidently even in disturbance environments because of obstacle avoidance sensors have been used. We expect that our future generation can improve our system with more number of intelligent parts with the voice output capability by adding more number of sensors and different escalator wheels to travel the staircases and non-uniform terrains. And also this concept can be applied to military and domestic applications. These are some references. Conclusion. Now we are standing at a position where conceptual voice control wheelchair has brought into a reality. Our voice control system is not limited for any particular application. It can be used anywhere in a process, industries with little modification in software coding according to the requirements. This concept not only ensures that our work will be usable in the future but also provides the flexibility to adapt and extend as needs change. By watching this video, you will get a better idea about our research. Back. Stop. Left. Stop. Go. Stop. Back. Stop. Go. Stop. Back. Stop. Go. Stop. Right. Stop. Left. Stop. Go. Thank you.